Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today as you can see here, I have a very extra special unboxing. This time I have the iPhone 11. And of course, as you may know, the iPhone 11 is Apple's latest flagship product. And as you can see here, I have mine. And of course, moving forward from this channel, we'll be offering a variety of options. So we're not only going to do Android devices anymore, we're also going to look at Apple products in detail. All right, so this is a brand new product, and of course we'll be having future tutorials on this particular device. And as you can see here, the device comes in this box. I went with the black color. You can see the Apple logo, and of course this is the iPhone 11. And as you might know, they also come in the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And of course this is the first edition in black. I went to the black color as the black color offered the best to me, and I like my devices in black, and of course any other unique colors. All right, so first of all, you can see the Apple box with the distinct Apple logo right here, and of course it just says iPhone on the box. You can see it all around here, and of course you can see the back of the device. This version is the 64GB edition, and it says it includes the iPhone 11. It includes AirPods with Lightning connector, Lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter, supports CDMA, GSM, and so on, LTE, cellular technologies, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, you name it. All right, you can also pause and read the rest of this information. And of course, I'm glad because it's been a while since I've actually owned a Apple device. So of course, it's gonna take some getting used to, especially coming from a Android device. All right, so straight away you'll notice again that it runs through all the features and the details. You can see the rest of the serial information. I'll blur out some of this. It does say Apple Incorporated all the way down there. And of course, I'm going to check this out. All right, so first of all, let's see what happens when we open this up. I've already removed the plastic wrap. All right, so first thing of all, I noticed that there's some weight to this box. And I noticed there's some paperwork up here. Well, actually there's no paperwork, but of course Apple added some weight to it. Very nice effect. And of course, presentation front and center, you can see the device itself, which is the iPhone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get this out. All right, I'm going to put this aside first. And the first thing as you see here, it greets you. It says designed by Apple in California. I'm going to remove this. And wow, I'm very impressed with what I'm seeing so far. And you can see right here, very nice. Notice it says here, hello. Wow, and it actually runs you through. It basically introduces you to everything, and it gives you a nice introduction. And I think this is very nice. As I said, if this is your first introduction to an Apple device, this actually improves it by actually having these information just there for you, so you can actually get into your device as soon as possible. You can see that information here. Put this aside. Here we have the tool or ejection tool for the SIM, and of course it shows you how it works. Put this aside as well. Here it gives you some information, and you get some very nice Apple stickers. You do get 2, which is also a very nice touch, and that's it, nothing else. All right, let's check this out. So you do get this adapter, very small, very unique compared to some other devices that I've had in the past. And here you go again. So let me just show you this right here in a second, guys. Check out all of these. So all of this is what came in the box. All right, so you remove the adapter brick, put this aside as well. Check this out, guys. You do get a pair of AirPods, and these are the carded versions, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just double check. Yep, so they do come with this attachment. You do see the connection point here. I'm not sure if they use lightning connectors anymore, or what do they call it. Here's a control mechanism right here. For now, I'm just going to slide this back in. Put this aside. or you can see it more carefully right here. Put this aside. Here you have the charge cable, the original charge cable. Check this out, guys. And of course, I'm loving the quality, attention to detail, which is known for Apple devices. So check this out and put this aside. All right. And I think that's it. Everything is well seated. There's this nice hard material on the inside, which was the same here. You actually can feel the weight of the box, the care and design in terms of everything. All right, so let's put this aside now. So let's get back to the phone. Let's assemble the stuff. Came with this. All right, so you can see the device itself, very clean, pristine. I'll have to get a screen protector for this. And of course, I'm seeing already I'm holding this upside down. So there you go, it was actually on. All right, so as you can see here, the front of the device, I'd powered this on before. I kind of took a... All right, guys, so as you can see, the device is booting up or powering up. And of course, we can give you an overview. Let me just turn off the display. Alright guys, so as you can see here, the device is powering up. So of course, you can check out the back of the device. Straight away, you can see it's a bit of a fingerprint magnet. And of course, brand new, you can see the LED flash. Not sure what that is right now. I think it's a proximity sensor. There's two lenses. And of course, the back is very nice. Checking out the base, there's nothing down here. And of course, Apple has done a fine job, as this feels like a polished piece of marble or something straight out of the box. You can see the volume up and down. And of course, I remember this being the privacy, turn the device on to mute mode. There is no headphone jack. And of course, at the base, all you can see, if I can focus this right here, is just the speaker grill. And of course, you can see also the charge port. On the front, you can see the device itself, very glossy. And of course, as I said, I'll have to get a screen protector for this. But as of now, this should be good enough. And here we go. So the device is powering up. And I'm just gonna set this up for the first time. So I might have to do this off screen. Alright guys, so of course I am back. And of course the setup process was relatively easy. And I just set up everything. I'm just going to enter my password. Nothing is set up as yet, just the basics. All right, now that everything has been set up, this is the interface. And as I said, guys, it's been a while since I've actually owned the iPhone. And so far, I must say, I'm loving it. The interface is very solid. And of course, I noticed the notch, not a big issue, but of course, the fonts and the on-screen icons are very sharp, even for the type of display. A number of apps were installed straight out of the bot. And of course, this is just a review. And I've just done the main part of the unboxing. All right. So I might just make this into a two-part. I'm not sure just yet. Let's look at the overview so far. So of course, I've showed you the side buttons. Just in case, let me just go back over them again. You can see the volume up and down. And there's the privacy, which is in terms of the ringer to set it to vibrate. And of course, there's nothing at the top here. The bottom right here, everything is pristine. I like the black color. You can see the box in the background. And of course, I've just created my iCloud account. Nothing is customized as yet. There's no SIM card in as well. I'll do a separate video on how to check out the SIM card. But of course, the display is very nice. I'm just looking at it right now. Alright, so this is my overall initial impressions. And of course, guys, the display is roughly around 6.5 inches. And of course, I think that's measured diagonally. And of course, you see the notch as I indicated, the removal of the home button. So there is no home button as in the past. But of course, that's not something that you'll miss much. You can see the display is very nice. And of course, guys, later on, what I'm going to do is do a full review. So this is mainly an unboxing. I do not want to rush this process. All right, guys. So I hope you're enjoying content on the channel so far. As for the year 2020, which is just around the corner, you should see a lot more interesting content just like this one. And of course, as I said, this is just the unboxing. You can see all the accessories here, and I'll timestamp everything. So if you are interested in more content, just go ahead in the comments and share what you want to see more of. In the full review, as soon as I test this device out, as it's brand new, I'll show you all of the comparisons and how well this stacks up to other devices I've used in the past. And as I said before, I'm enjoying my return to Apple devices as I'm coming from Android. But of course, I'm sure I'll enjoy this as I compare it to other devices, and I'll be taking you guys along for the ride. Alright guys, so this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.